Hi, this is Nitya Priya. Here in this video, we are going to see the methods in Java. Okay, so these are the contents: creating a method, calling a method, and methods with parameters. Right now, methods in Java. So, what is a method? A method can be otherwise called as a function. Usually, a function will perform a task. A function is a block of code, right, with a heading, with a block of code enclosed by braces. So this is a function or a method. What does this function or a method do? No, this will perform a task whenever or wherever it is called. We can call the function wherever we want to call. We can call the function whenever we want to call. Right? So by adhering to the rules of a particular programming language, we can call the method. Right? So it will reduce the level of coding. It will reduce the time of code writing, right? So it is reducing the space and time of a program. A function or a method will reduce the space and time of a program. So these are the advantages of a method or a function, right? So here it is a block of code which runs when it is called, right? Okay, so creating a method. How do we create a method in Java? Usually, a method is designated as a static method in Java. Okay, it is a static method. In other programming languages, we won't be declaring it as static, but in Java, since we have also the main function, we have the static functions also, right? So because main method is there, the other methods are called as static method. So we have to state static function. Okay, so we have to use the static keyword there, right? So a method must be declared within a class like this. See the coding: public class main is the name of the class, and inside that I am creating my method as a static method. So the static method is the method that we study here, right? So after that, within braces, the code to be executed will be given, right? So here, see in this example, I am going to say what is static, what is void, okay, and what is no the name of the method, the header. I am going to say what is static, what is void, and what is my method. My method is the name of the method. A method will be always followed by an opening and closing parenthesis. Then static means the method belongs to the main class. Okay, so it is not it cannot be called by the object of the method, object of the class. It means that. Then void means it does not return anything. When it returns something, will say the type of the value that it returns. Okay, for example, int, float, like that will give. But here it does not return anything, so we give void. So calling a method, always will call a method by using its name followed by the parenthesis. If parameters are there, we'll be giving the parameter value inside that. Otherwise, it will be empty, right? So this is the example. See, no, class, then my method. Inside that we print something. I just got executed. Right? We close the method. Then after that we create the main method. Then we call the method my method. Okay. So the output would be I just got executed. Right? Okay. So a method can be called multiple times. I told you, whenever and wherever I call, it will be executed. So whenever we want to call, and how many times we want to call, that many times we can call and just executes, and it just gives its output. So I'm calling the method three times. So thrice I'll get the output. I just got executed. So methods with parameters. So here, no, within parenthesis, there we didn't give anything. My method has the empty parenthesis. Here it has two parameters, two integers, a and b. So what do? I just add a and b. I put the result. Okay. So when I call it within the main method, I give the values for a and b. See, for a I give 10 and for b I give 20. So I'll get the output 30. 10 and 20 added, I'll be getting 30. Right. I hope you understood the method. This is just an introduction, and we saw what is a method, how to create a method, and how to call the method, and what about the method with parameters. Okay, you just watch the video. If you don't understand, once again you will understand. Thanks for watching.